military makeover here at the Middleton family house. I love the sound of an empty house. It means I can get in and do what I gotta do. And as always, it's demo time. This one's gonna be fun because we're gonna completely gut the kitchen, even the soffits, open it up nice, big, and bright. The challenge is we're also doing the same thing to the master bathroom.
J-Dog Junk Removal and Hauling have already been here, even before I got here, to help the family get started sorting, packing, and decluttering. And now they're bringing one of my most important requirements, a dumpster for my demolition debris. Moving experts, U-Haul. They provided all the boxes and packing materials for the Middletons and much more. It's always a treat managing the family's belongings. U-Haul has a great overall solution. It's their U-Boss containers on site and in storage.